Hello techies, we are in lab 5.9.6 and we're going to secure a switch. So you are the IT security administrator for a small corporate network. You need to secure access to your switch, which is still configured with the default settings. So in this lab, your task is to create a new user account with the following details. Also, we are going to edit the default user account with the details provided also. So let's start up lab. In case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause this video occasionally and walk at your own pace. Match every move I make and every step I take in this video, you will surely get this right. So let's open Google Chrome, and once Google Chrome is open, let's maximize this so that you see clearly. We type in the address provided, which is 192.168.0.2, so I will just copy and paste. Right, so we enter and the PFSense, let's see, this is a Cisco switch has opened rather, and then the username and password provided is Cisco. You can just type it in, otherwise just copy and paste because of time. So we paste in here, and we also paste in here. All right, so go ahead and log in. So we wait for this to load. All right, so managed user account, and then we are going to add. So what are we adding? The username is going to be IT switch admin. So let's just copy and paste because of time. And the password provided also admin and D1. So let's just copy and paste. And we repeat the password again just to confirm. And go ahead and apply. And cancel this. Tick Cisco and pause password for the password. So just copy this and paste in there. So we confirm password by pasting it in here again. We're going to change this to read only CLI access and go ahead and apply, and let's see, click on save, click on apply, click OK. So wait for this to process. Alright, so that is done. So we'll go ahead and score lab. Now in case you find this video to be helpful to you in any way, share on other platforms so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Comment your questions below. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.